Find the value of x. Right, see, there is two possible way to solve this. One is using, mathematical method. The first answer you can get it easily by just removing the modulus and writing x minus 3 equals to 4. So x will be equal to 7. Right, not minus 7 but 7. Right, we'll discuss that mathematical logic later. First of all, we'll discuss this. So what does this mean? So say if you have 3 in the number line. So there is a number which is at a distance of 4 from 3. This is what you mean by this equation. Right, so x is located at a distance of 4 from 3. Right, not only from one end but from both ends. Right, so if you take distance of 4 from here, so you'll get 7. If you take distance of 4 from here, what will you get to the left hand side? What is located at a distance of 4 from 3? Minus 1. So these one possible answer is minus 1, the other possible answer is 7. So how do you identify this point? So you just substitute this value equal to 0. So x minus 3 equal to 0. So x will be 3. So this is how you identify this particular point. And then you'll just find the distance of x from here, from both ends. Right? Mathematically, if you want to solve, then you have to write cases like this. So case 1. So here we were saying mod x is x if x greater than 0. But this is mod of everything, x minus 3, right? So you'll say case 1 when x minus 3 is greater than 0, right? Which means x minus 3 is positive, right? Right, positive or 0, or which means non-negative. So that means x must be greater than equal to 3 if you just take 3 to the right hand side. So this is case 1. So case 1 is when x is greater than 3. So this means x minus 3 equals to 4. So x is equal to 7. So you have to verify that the answer that you are getting must be greater than 3. Then only this will be correct. If you got x as 2 by any chance, then you'll discard this answer because this is not greater than 3. Okay. Then this is the first case. Then you have second case. Case 2. What is case 2? So then what does this mean? So x should be less than 3. Right, now what will you do? See, think of this like a single number. Right, what if this was y? So see, when x minus 3 is less than 0, so this means this entire thing is negative, right? When x is less than 0, what did mod x turn out to be? It turned out to be minus of x, or minus 1 times this x, right? Now x minus 3 is less than 0, which means this thing will turn out to be minus 1. So this bracket, this will be bracket and then minus 1. So minus 1 times x minus 3 is equal to 4. So then you'll get minus x plus 3 is equal to 4. So minus x equals to 4 minus 3, which is 1. So x will be equal to minus 1. Now you'll again check, is minus 1 less than 3? It is. So this is also one possible answer. So using number line, you got these two answers. Using this approach, you also got the same answer. Right? Okay. One final question. X minus 1. Try solving this. You'll again get two values of x.